Hello, this is just a quick video to show everyone something I've been working on for the past few days. I know many people struggle with identifying flowers, especially the colorblind, and while some quality of life is now on the Chinese server for Season 2, we are unlikely to get this change for quite some time. So, I went through and trained a basic image recognition AI model to help with detecting the black and the commonly confused as black flowers. Utilizing this model, at the website below, you can get nearly instant feedback on the color of the flowers with just a simple screenshot. I primarily trained this model on tulips, but have added some trainings on roses and hydrangeas, although this is very experimental, as I do not have anywhere near the amount of images of roses and hydrangeas as I do for tulips. I have also trained it on some of the mobile screenshots. The model will place bounding boxes around what it identifies and gives a confidence number for how confident the item it identified is. The higher the better, with the maximum being 1.0 for being 100% confident. As long as you properly set up the screenshot, it is extremely likely to be accurate. Here we have a typical example of how you would use it. Make sure you set the time to daytime in Camera, Settings, Enable Time Freeze, and dragging it to the middle. After that, ideally you line up the camera with the cross or the flower mostly vertical, but not directly top down. Also, preferably you zoom in a bit, as a very wide shot can be inaccurate, so I prefer to stick with a screenshot of one cross at a time, or a small section at a time. Then, you simply have to take a screenshot with whatever program you use to screenshot. I use ShareX, as it has a bunch of other useful tools, and can be set up to copy the image directly to my clipboard. Then, you just tab over to the website, and either drop the image into this box, select it, or click this button to load it from your clipboard. Then click Submit, and it might take a few seconds as this is working on a shared machine, but at the end it will give you the image with its identifications. If you want to see it, the 30 lines of code I wrote and the trained model checkpoint can be found under the Files tab at the top. If you want to instead run it locally, all you need is Python, just clone it, install the requirements.txt, and then simply run python app.py. Finally, remember, this is an AI, it is always possible for it to make some mistakes. If you feel it wrongly identified something, always feel free to ask for a second opinion in the official Discord Homestead channels, and if you know it made a mistake, then please send me the image to help train the model. That concludes this video, and I will be working on a guide for how to maximize Homestead coin income with hydrangeas soon. For real this time.